Have you used WordPress 6.0 and what was your first impression?
I just recently installed the release candidate through the WordPress beta tester plugin, but essentially I've been working on it for months now as the Gutenberg plugin has continually been shipped and updating with all of the features that we'll see in 6.0. So everything that's in 6.0, I've already seen by way of the plugin.
What are your thoughts on future FSE, like full site editing? Do you see that taking over the whole page builder thing?
I do. I think there's two parts to what's coming. There's sort of the paradigm shift of building sites and content with blocks, which is somewhat connected to, but also very different than the actual full site editing experience, because full site editing is really more around like the template hierarchy of the theme and the structure of that. Whereas, using the block editor and patterns and the global styles and stuff like that is really more about like the designing of the content. And so I think sometimes people confuse terminology with WordPress right now because there's so much going on. I feel like the full site editing piece is still further behind, but building websites now with blocks and patterns and stuff like that, I think is really, really going to be fun and interesting.